Hey everybody, it's Brian from Cleverlike. I am at the Pennsylvania Minecraft Build Challenge State Finals, and it's been quite a day. We've had elementary school, middle school, and high school all competing in Minecraft Build Challenges. It's been a great day. Lots of teams have worked really hard and prepared, and we've helped the entire state with our Build Challenge curriculum program, getting teachers, coaches, and students prepared for this kind of competition. And this is year one. So hopefully year two is going to be even bigger and better. So make sure you stay tuned. And if you're interested in running something like this for yourself, let us know how we could help and support you with our curriculum and our on-site trainings, professional development for coaches. Anything you need, we want to help support you in being successful in those kinds of things so you can have these great opportunities for your students. If you want to provide something like this for your students, let us know. We'd love to help you out. It's a lot of fun. We'll see you there.
It's very step-by-step. It's easy for teachers to kind of follow along. If you don't know anything, everything is spelled out and scripted. And even for our kids who thought that they were Minecraft experts, it was neat to show them some of the ins and outs and get them to level up their skills. So like color gradients was a huge thing, understanding 8-bit design and playing with that. And we used all of that even in our competition builds. So I felt like I really saw the transfer of skills, and it forced them to slow down and understand, what are we doing? What's the aesthetic piece to it? So it wasn't just, building the same house in Minecraft again and again.
Back in August, we were able to bring the Cleverlike team into our Chester County Intermediate Unit where we got trained on Minecraft EDU. We started to learn all about it so that we could then bring this to our teachers, take some of that anxiety away from them so that you need to come in with absolutely no Minecraft knowledge and you can walk away feeling confident to bring your students into a challenge like this.